Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I'm back with another comedy reaction. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to distance myself from music and get into other things. Yes. Loyiso, all the way from South Africa, but maybe now living in the UK. I don't know what's going on there. You let me know in the comment section if you know. But one of the best comedians as well coming out of Africa, especially now that he's doing it in the UK. That means he gets the audience outside of South Africa gets him. You know what I mean? Like, he's not just like in a niche. Look at that, me using English words. Yeah, he's not just in a space where South Africans like he's just making comedy about South African stuff and people outside South Africa won't understand because you have those people that are like local and then you have international. And South Africa is the best at this. And considering that before the 90s, they couldn't do comedy because of the apartheid, this is really good that we have best comedians coming out of South Africa, and Loyiso is one of them.
Don't you think it's crazy?
If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads. Let's
Don't
go.
you think it's crazy that, do you understand the technology for us to hear the pilot? I am actually utilizing it right now. This is the technology for us to hear the pilot. I don't know why we cannot hear. There's no other context where it's acceptable for us not to hear a person. Why are you muffling? If you
Maybe
were
it's the
looking for an au
altitude.
pair for your kids and a person came over to your house and said, hey man, what's your experience with kids? And then they looked at you and went,
Maybe it's the altitude or like pressing the buttons.
like, you need to get out of my house, son. Weird things happen in airplanes. Weird things, like crazy things, bizarre things. Like how bizarre would it be right now if someone walked in here and started selling us watches and perfume? Wouldn't that be the most bizarre thing? But it happens all the time in airplanes. No one's ever gone, huh, this is crazy. This is an English polite thing. Oh, I've already got one, yeah. I'm not looking at the man.
That's a nice accent there with the facial. I've already got one, yeah.
Not every airline should be selling watches, though. Like Ryanair, no business selling watches. You need the watch, Ryanair. Your flight's 7 hours late.
I don't think I think because it's in the UK, a lot of people there would understand that because I've seen a lot of people, especially from the UK, talking about Ryanair. As if it's just like in America when people talk about Spirit Airlines. It's one of those airlines that are kind of simple, but even though they're making jokes about this, it's not like they are always like in the extreme like that. I don't know. I don't know in the UK maybe, but I've used Spirit Airlines and it's fine. I think it's just comedy and stuff. Maybe that's why this airline never come back and defended themselves because they know this is just like for fun.
And also, why am I buying a 400-pound watch on an 11-pound flight? This makes no sense. Yeah, being in London is cool. I like being in London. One of my favorite things to be in London, there's so much to do. I try to buy a ticket online to watch Wimbledon. Yeah, man.
That's
The
expensive.
Wimbledon final, I was like, I'm excited. Went online, it was 3,000 pounds. I was like, what? 3,000 pounds.
3,000 pounds.
I'm not saying I wouldn't pay 3,000 pounds, right? I'm not saying I wouldn't pay 3,000 pounds for a Champions League finals ticket. But I'm not paying 3,000 pounds for a sport where someone is going to tell me, quiet, please. Are you out of your mind? For 3,000 pounds, there will be no quiet, please. For 3,000 pounds, I'm rubbing my nipples center court. Are you out of your mind? My brother, 3,000. 3,000. Oh,
3,000.
it's a lot
Now
of
that's
money.
the South African.
3,000. My brother, 3,000 pounds.
3,000.
For 3,000 3,000 pounds, I should be able to whisper some advice in Roger Federer's ear. 3,000, 3,000.
Like, hey,
I should be able
Roger.
to walk into the court. Sorry, Roger. Come on, forearm. Let's work on that. My brother, around 3,000.
3,000. 3,000.
3,000.
That's a lot of money. 3,000
to punch a
pounds.
ball boy in the face. For 3,000. Could be walking across, picking up a ball up. Uppercut him in the nose. He'll be so confused. What was that for? I'm like, no, it's part of the package. If you look carefully, I can kick you in the balls.
Yo, that's a good one, man. Like I said, that's the biggest comedian as well. One of the biggest comedians coming out of Africa, coming out of South Africa. I feel like they have lots of competition out there in South Africa. So they can take over Africa if they wanted. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for joining in. If there's any other comedian in your own country, let me know. I can definitely check them out. Yeah, this is it. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.